Welcome to the arrival ceremony of the landing dock Davao del Sur.
As an officer, is specializing primarily in
with their current capability right now, they will be utilized for a HEDR. This is a humanitarian assistance and disaster response. This will be in tandem with BRP Tarlac, or maybe a alternate vessel if ever the one is on maintenance and the other one is on go mission. As far as other mission, we just wait for any high headquarters directive. That's it. As far as capability is concerned, on its cargo lift and everything, it's an amphibious landing dock. It can have in its capacity to handle a 500 troops on board at 30 days at sea. Hindi po ganito yung dati nating barko. But with this inventory, we can have that assurance if ever there's a calamity. That we are not asking for that, but we have now something to use or utilize during HEDR.
Everything is great, everything is amazing dahil ang barko natin ito ay merong mga modern na mga equipment, mga navigational and communication equipment na masarap i-handle. Updated, upgraded yung mga equipment na nandito. At hindi lang po na makaka-accommodate siya ng 500 troops. Ito po ay merong dalawang maliliit na barko na tinatawag nating landing craft utility na nasa loob. Dalawa po. At dalawang mabibilis na rigid hull inflatable boat na makikita nyo nandoon. Dalawa po yan, mabilis.